Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to reverse an array. So in this program, we will discuss two methods. So one using extra array and another using loops. So let's talk about reversing an array using an extra array. So this approach is straightforward and easy to understand, especially for beginners. Okay, imagine you have an array of size 4. Let me create an array of size 4. Okay, this is an array of size 4. So suppose we have 1, 2, 3, and 7, the elements of the array. So we want to reverse it. After reversing, we will get this array. So after reversing, what we will get? So 7, 3, 2, and 1. So we will get after reversing this array. So we will achieve this by creating a new array that store the elements of the first array in reverse order. So let me create a new array. So this is a new array of same size of the original array. So but we are storing the original array elements in reverse order. Here we are storing the original array elements in reverse order. So let's store. So the last element of the original array is 7. So this will be stored at the first place, at the first index of the temporary array. So this will be stored here, 7, and this 3 will goes here. This 2 will goes here, and the 1. So the new array will look like. So this is the new array. 1, 2, 3, and 7. So this is how we are using an extra array. We will reverse the elements of the original array. So this is the one method. So this is easy and simple method, but the time complexity here it requires an extra space. Okay. So now let's talk about reversing an array using loops. Instead of using an extra array, here we are reversing. We will swap elements within the original array until the array is reversed. Okay. We have an array. Take the array. We have an array. 4 elements. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So here we are using 2-point approach. So that is we are taking 2 pointers, one at starting, another at ending of the array. So we will swap these 2 pointers until they meet at the middle. Okay. So first we will swap the I will point to 0 and j will point to n-1. That is last index of the array. So now we will swap these two elements. So 1 will go here and 4 will go here. After that, we will increase the value of I. That is I plus 1. I will goes here. I become 1, and j minus 1. J will go here. Okay. We will swap these two. Okay. The new array looks like. So the new array will look like this. So 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the new array. So here we are using an extra array. Here we are using 2 pointers. Okay. So now let's go into the code. So now we are taking the size of, we are taking an integer n to store the size of an array. N is equal to n, and we are taking an array in the array of size n. Now we are storing the elements in array. So here first approach is using extra array. So let's decrease the font. Okay. Oh, okay. This is visible. Okay. Now so create another temporary array. Index of same size n. We are creating another array of temporary array of same size. Now we are storing the elements of the first array in reverse order. Okay. For I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So x of I is equal to array of I. So n minus I minus 1. So this is because I will explain here. So see. So let me. Yeah, I will explain. So this is x, and this is the original array. Okay. So this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is also index 0, 1, 2, 3. Here n is equal to 4. So the size of the array is 4. So now x of 0 is equal to, so this is a and this is x. Okay. X of 0 is equal to a of n minus I means 0, n minus I minus, so this is I, n minus I minus 1 So this is how. So this is how. So let's take I is equal to 0. So we're taking I is equal to 0, which is equal to x of 4 minus the 0 minus 1. So this is how. Okay. So this will come out A of 3. Okay. So we have elements 1, 3, and 4. So A of 3 is 4. So x of 0 is equal to 4. So we will store 4 here. Then so 1 is equal to A of 4 minus I become 1. Okay. 1 minus 1. That is A of 2. Okay. A of 2 is 3. So x of 1 is 3, and this will 2, this will 1. This is how we are reversing the array. Okay. So let's write here. This is okay. After creating an array, so copy the elements of a temporary array into the original array. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus A of I is equal to x of I. So this is okay. Now print I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus C out A of I. So now run the program. So look, okay, there is some error here, okay, here, semicolon, run it again. So we want to enter, let's size of an array is 5, enter elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is printed using an extra array. Okay, here it is printed. So let's run again. So now take 4, size of an array is 4, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So 7, 4, 3, 2. So this is how an array is reversed using an extra array. Now look at second method. We already created an array. Now take 2 pointers using loops. So int I is equal to 0, pointing to the first index of the array, and j is equal to n minus 1, pointing to the last index of the array. Okay. So while I is less than j, so run the loop while this condition till this condition satisfies. Okay, and swap the elements. So x is equal to taking y is equal to area of n minus 1, n minus array of j, no, not n minus, array of j, and array of j is equal to array of I, and array of I is equal to y. So this is simple. And now print. After completing this, increase the value of j and decrease the value of increase the value of I and decrease the value of j minus 1. So this is how. Now print. So now copy the above code. So this is okay. Comment the above code from here. Yeah. So run the loop. So now 5. We are entering here. Take 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are printing this. So run it again. So enter 4. Something happens. Print 4. Now again done. Run the code. Yeah. So take 4 elements. Now enter elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So see 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how an array is reversed. So this is using loops. Here we are using 2-point approach. So first point is pointing to the first index of the array, and the second pointer is pointing to the end of the last index of the array. Then we swap both the pointers, and then we increment the first starting pointer, and then we decrease the ending pointer. Okay. And another method is using extra array. Here we are taking an extra array and then we are storing the elements of the original array in reverse order. Okay, here we are storing the elements in reverse order, and then the copying and we copy the temporary array elements into the original array. Okay, this is how an array is reversed. If you like our video, please share, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.